5 physics fun facts. Number 5. You can't smile and breathe at the same time. Try it. See? I can't do it. That's because the way that we breathe is by expanding our lungs. And when we expand our lungs, our diaphragm moves down, pushing on our stomach, which makes us nauseous. And so, to prevent us from vomiting, our body automatically makes us exhale first before we can take a breath. Number 4. Your own dead skin cells make up the majority of the dust in your house. That's because skin cells have nowhere to go once they die, so they just kind of float around in the air until they land on surfaces, and they stick. 3. When you sneeze, you should take a deep breath, hold it, and then let it out after you sneeze. Otherwise, you'll feel like you're suffocating. That's because when you sneeze, you're forcefully exhaling all of the air in your lungs, which drops your oxygen levels and increases your carbon dioxide levels. Taking a deep breath beforehand will give you more air to work with, preventing you from feeling like you're suffocating. 2. If you were to punch a wall, your fist would actually go through it. That is because our skin and our bones are more dense than the air that's inside of them. So when we punch something, we're actually creating a low-pressure environment in our fist, which makes the air inside of our arm expand, giving our fist more force than we could ever produce on our own. And number 1 is, if you could somehow get a piece of paper to float, it would take 2 pieces of tape to keep it there. That's because every time you double the thickness of a material, you increase its rigidity by an order of magnitude. So if a piece of paper is 1 molecule thick, it'll take 1 piece of tape to keep it floating. But if you add another layer and make it 2 molecules thick, it'll take 2 pieces of tape. And if you add another layer and make it 4 molecules thick, it'll take 4 pieces of tape, and so on and so forth.